Lauren, thanks for staying up so late. Sun must have risen in Sydney by now. Thanks for coming to Divine Healing 2. So, how's it been?
It's been amazing. I mean, Divine Healing 1 was awesome, and I've been using that regularly since I studied it, and I'm loving it. My clients are too. Divine Healing 2 just takes everything to a whole new level. I'm still sort of processing after the last 4 days, so I'll give myself a little bit of time, but I'm really excited to start using it regularly, and I know it'll just change my life even more, following on from level 1. So I'm really excited about using it, and thank you. You're the only person I'll stay up all night for 4 nights in a row.
You're
I
very
can't help
dedicated.
myself. Thank
You're very
you.
dedicated. I'm honored. Thank you. Melissa, how was it coming into this training? How are you feeling about it?
Yeah, I looked forward to another teaching style, right? Having taken the level 1 with Elmira. And I was so pleasantly surprised, doesn't like even really capture the way that feel like I have opened up into just yet more levels of awareness. And I was just eating lunch today, and I'm like, you never think that you're gonna like feel so differently, or all of a sudden view things in a whole new way, whether that's positive or negative, because it feels negative at first sometimes, right? You're like, oh, you've only been this way for so long, and now all of a sudden you're asked to be a different way. And it's like I feel this deep commitment to it, though, this deep commitment to just peel away those layers, because I know that I am here for something so much bigger than what I've done so far. And I just know, like, I feel like I have to dedicate myself to this in a whole new way. That's not dogmatic. That's not fundamental. That's not, but that's just purely like soul opening. And I can see how that can be. Yeah. So thank you.
What do you take away as a result of all this transformation this week?
That I have done a lot of work already, but I have yet so much more to do. in a good way. I feel like it's doable. It's possible. I can this can happen. Like, you can heal. Your life can be different. Your life can change. These patterns, these thoughts, those traumas can heal, I don't know if heal is the right word even. They can dissipate. They can move. So that it's all possible. That to me is the most beautiful thing, that it's all possible.
Is hope.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Zuriel, how's it been? Because you're on a mission to get your mission going. How's it been for you?
It has been collectively just a beautiful experience. Transmission 1 or level 1 really allowed me to hit the ground running in the right direction for my mission, and took me a year to continue to move through it. But when it was time to have to be in level 2 and to work through this one, I was just so excited, and the amount of light that has come in, and the ability for my walk-in soul to even further move into my body consciousness has been incredible. And I'm excited for my mission to continue. So it's been amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alexandra. Would you like to contrast the before and after experience? Because you look completely different.
Yeah. I began these 4 days feeling excited and open for what was ahead, having completed level 1 and been using level 1 and really enjoying getting to know those charts and feeling, kind of embodying those and feeling the effects for myself and seeing the effects for using them with others. And so I was excited to begin level 2 because I knew that, you know, more was coming and it was going to be powerful. And I said it earlier, I just can't believe how quickly it's gone. Like these 4 days have just zipped by, but it's felt effortless, even though there's been such deep work that I've been processing and the group have been processing. It just feels really aligned and I feel really expanded. I feel lighter, and really excited to continue on this journey using divine healing. So this level and hopefully future levels. So thank you very much. And thanks to everyone. It's been really great working with everybody.
Okay, thank you. Willow, what do you take away from 4 days of divine healing to you?
It's absolutely transformative and powerful journey. And it is like I had got a really small taste of what ascension truly is and what kind of work that we need to put into. Really allow me to bravely look into my shadow side, the things that I've been suppressing and the things I didn't know that exist deep within me, and it all be like revealed and allow the light to come into the dark place that we are not really allowing even ourselves to see. And it's like expansion of tool that we have on hand. Is level 1 is already very powerful, and now it's like I have even more tool, and integration of both level 1 and level 2 is really powerful. And I know that it's going to help not only me but also many other people that we encounter, our client, our families and friends. It's such an amazing experience. It's so worth it and makes me even want to go further and craving for more knowledge. Yeah, so thank you everyone for being so supportive, and thank you for being such a great teacher for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Willow. Anita, how's your left-right brain balance doing after 4 days of this?
Definitely better. I can definitely feel like my after this brain integration process, I could feel like again a tingling sensation on top of my crown, and I feel a lot more integrated. And yes, I feel I cleared deeper programs, and I'm able to connect the dots better. So that's very helpful. So I'm really looking forward to working through this and also to level 3.
Okay.
Thank you.
Julie, thank you, Anita. Julie, how are you doing? What do you take away from this one, level 2?
Good, thank you. It amazes me with this work how, you know, I've done so much work on myself over the years, and yet it brings up so much other stuff. It just really helps to join the dots, like situations you know within your life, and when you dig in, how you can really see they're intertwined, and you know, it just brings such a deeper awareness. And I'm really looking forward to going away and working with these charts and bring us some of that, you know, up and out further, really. It's been a lovely group, really lovely to work with you all. And what has been a tricky 4 days for me, I couldn't have spent it any other way than with you guys. And Nicolas, your teaching is as patient and as informative as ever. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Sarah, What has this transmission brought you this time round?
I feel like it's the last piece to the puzzle. And I knew there was something I'm not seeing, I'm not realizing. I was looking for that piece. So, and after this, like the last day, I had my breakthrough, like I mentioned. And I also realized, like you said, the healing is a spiral, upward spiral. There's downturn and the upturn, then going up. So I thought I had to deal with my issue. And but it still bothered me somehow, on the background. So this time, like I realized there was downturn here, then on the other hand, there is opportunity for heal. So I truly understand that. And I also feel like the charts, like although there are so many aspects of the charts and different areas, but they all like have a same thing for me in this class, which is quite interesting. I think that probably it is what it meant to be, designed to be. So there's definitely intelligence in those charts. And I also like realized there was so much like work needed to do, healing work needed to do to get rid of those ego patterns in order for my mission and the talent to come online. So I see how I was not able to like identify those patterns myself in order to have the breakthrough, but this tool is just amazing tool for me to be able to do that work. And I really want to thank all the, the team we work together this time, and also want to thank Nicolas and William for his loving feedback and for Nicolas holding the space for us for the healing. It's really beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. William, how's it been holding space and assisting on level 2?
These lovely ladies are a pleasure and a privilege to be able to hold space for. I mean, all of them are growing and expanding at such rates that it's just so joyous to see them, like night and day, and to come to a lot of realization and transformation. So it's been quite fun.
Yeah, so thank you for holding space for us. William and I were talking about how 2 Chinese men who are never renowned for being emotionally mobile and present are holding space for 9 women to go on this workshop. We thought that was a bit of a cosmic joke, actually. Real God's having a laugh, putting us in that position. So thank you, William. Thank you all, guys. You really gave it everything, and you helped each other, and you all made massive breakthroughs. It was just powerful transformation.